The top reasons for hiring a realtor. Today I'm going to share with you why you should hire a realtor. Before I explain the top 5 reasons for hiring a real estate agent, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and hit the bell to receive instant notification of more helpful videos. Also, share this video if you know someone who might benefit from this information. I'm Holly Jackson with the Turning Leaf team at eXp Realty, and today I'm sharing with you 5 top reasons for hiring a real estate agent. Some people might consider buying or selling a house without a realtor. They think it would be easy and it could save them some money. Well, you could also pull your own tooth, but typically people go to the dentist. Why? Because a dentist practices that on a regular basis and has tools to help avoid unnecessary pain. In this video, I'm going to share with you why it's important to hire a realtor and help avoid unnecessary pain. And if you hang with me through these quick top reasons for hiring an agent, I'll also share with you a handout for interview questions you will need to ask somebody you're considering hiring. The first reason to hire a real estate agent is that we have access to comparable properties that have sold in your area to give you the most up-to-date opinion on the value of your house. We analyze upgrades, square footage, and neighborhoods like artistic math wizards. A realtor like me will even advise you on simple things to make your house show better and get sold efficiently and for the highest possible price. You could miss out big if you don't know what your house is worth. Another reason for hiring a real estate agent is exposure. When it comes to selling your house, hiring a real estate agent means you have the ability to reach more potential buyers and market a listing to get it sold faster and for a higher price than on your own. On the opposite side, hiring a realtor as a buyer means you have instantaneous information about houses for sale as soon as they hit the market. The third reason is for negotiating your sale. We have expertise and experience to get our clients the best out of a sale, from the very first offer through to repairs after inspection. One of the top reasons to hire a real estate agent means you having a buffer in representation between you and an experienced realtor who is hired to represent the person opposite you in a transaction. Having someone negotiating for your interests will save you time, money, and irritation. Another reason is for our knowledge of the process and resources. Similar to a dentist knowing the method to pull a tooth, we as realtors do this on a daily basis. We know the steps to buying and selling and have tools and people in place to help make it as smooth as possible. Hiring a realtor can help you avoid headaches and frustration. The last reason to hire a realtor is to handle piles of documents required in the sale of a house. Rather than trying to sift through, know which blanks to fill in, and trading precious time decoding what legal jargon is on those documents, what it actually means, hiring a real estate professional means we do that work for you. We help you feel confident in knowing what you are signing and completing what is required, then sending it neatly and paperlessly with electronic signatures. Those were just the top 5 reasons to hire a realtor, and there are so many more. But if paperwork, resources, negotiating skills, exposure, and expertise are not enough, a great real estate agent like me is going to look out for you like I would for my own mom, who I love dearly and is also an agent with the Turning Leaf team at eXp. I'm Holly Jackson. Thank you for hearing the top 5 reasons to hire a realtor. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell to be alerted when new videos come out. And I have some interview questions you need to ask someone you're considering hiring as your realtor. Click the link in the video description for your realtor interview questionnaire. We're helping people change homes and change lives.